It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. In this video, I'll be wrapping up my Green Ranger series. We made our Green Ranger gauntlets and gloves. We made the Morphin and the belt. We made our armbands and the dragon shield. Today, we're going to talk about your Green Ranger suit that goes underneath all your armor. If you want to check out any of the previous videos, I'll link them in the description below. If you followed this video series, you're about to complete your Green Ranger cosplay. Also, I'm happy to announce that I started my very own Patreon page. So please check that out. It's in the description below. And if you'd like to see me make a video on a specific topic, please let me know. Now, let's get into making this Green Ranger suit. Let's go. There are a few different options you can use for your Green Ranger suit. Last time I used the green morph suit that zipped in the back. This time I want my Green Ranger to be separates. So I bought some green tights, some green costume tights, and I cut off the feet. And I also bought a green dry fit shirt. You can purchase your items or you can make your items yourself. If you know how to sew, and I'm going to use the sewing method to make your Green Ranger suit, you can use green fabric to make the base, and you can also use white fabric and sew your diamonds into place using the white fabric. Or you can sew your Green Ranger suit together and then paint on the white diamonds like I'm about to do. This is just a faster way to get the same result. Buy a shirt that's pre-made and then paint on that shirt. I know how to sew, I'm just not going to sew for this particular project. The first thing you want to do is put some cardboard inside your shirt so the paint doesn't bleed through. I have a t-shirt form because I paint on shirts often, but any cardboard will do. Take your stencil, the same stencil we used to make our Green Ranger dragon shield. You're going to use that same stencil. We're going to use the inside of the triangle. Take your stencil, place your stencil where it needs to go. The diamond should be right at the neckline. We're going to paint the inside part of this stencil only. All you want to do right now is just get the outline of the diamond, and we'll fill it in later. Flip your pattern over and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you line it up well. Now fill in your diamond. You might need to hold your shirt steady to keep it in place as you paint. The next thing you want to do is line the stencil up on the side and repeat the process. Let that dry and then paint a second coat. And there you have it. My paint job on my Green Ranger top is complete. The first time I did my Green Ranger cosplay, I wore a full morph suit with the zipper in the back. And I struggled every time I was at the cons trying to use the bathroom. So now I'm excited to see how it's going to feel with my top and bottoms being separate pieces. Now the only thing I didn't address in this Green Ranger video series was the helmet. My first full cosplay build was the first time I did Green Ranger at C2E2 2019. I made this helmet along with the first dragon shield that I made. It turned out pretty good, especially for my first helmet build. If you are interested in a video of how I made this Green Ranger helmet, just let me know, leave me a comment, and if there's enough interest, I'll make that video for you. This is the Green Ranger helmet I now wear with my Green Ranger cosplay. It was a great purchase. I had a gift card, so I didn't even have to spend my own money. Yeah. If you enjoyed my Green Ranger video series, please like and subscribe leave me a comment, especially if you use these videos to complete your own Green Ranger cosplay. Send me a photo. I would love to see your work. Remember, check out my Patreon page, link in the description. And if you haven't seen the other Green Ranger builds, check out those videos as well, links in the description. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's Morphin time! Dragon Zord!